welcome back to my cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be making a Nigerian suya today. So this is the beef I'm using. I have this one at the supermarket. You already the shape of the suya, but this one I have it at home. I just buy just one pack. Yeah, this is how I will remove this part of the meat. You can just, if you don't need this kind of a lot of job, you can just get the already sliced at the store. Yeah, but I just want to use the one I have at home, since the store one was just so expensive. Since I already have it at home, I just pick one and then take small one. Yes. If you don't have this kind of knife, you can still use the longer knife. I just want to make sure the kind of like this before I start cutting it. So this is what I be able to get out of that beef. So these are the bones. I take the bones out. It don't have to be like 100% flat. You can see the beef are almost as if they cut. So I will just cut them like this. And let me introduce you to the ingredient I will be using for this suya. This is Suya Spice already mixed. And this is canola oil, because I do not have the real oil they using on the suya in Nigeria. I can't get it in Africa store here, so I will be using a canola oil. And this is little bit salt, paprika. I'm using ginger, garlic powder. Oh, that I will be using inside. So I'll just keep cutting the same. You don't have to be equal, you don't have to be the same, but just try as much as you can to make sure they are equal. So and when you find this kind one, just try remove as many that you can remove, because this particular part do not get ready earlier. I'm doing this here after 20 minutes, it will be ready. But if I'm doing this part, this one will not be ready. So yeah, I'll take this one out too. Let's continue. I'll be adding some of this Suya Spice. The powdered ginger, powdered garlic, paprika. You can use cayenne pepper if that's what you have. Any kind of seasoning for the taste is good. A little bit salt. And then a little bit oil too. You can use your hand for that one, is more faster though. We'll just use this knife. I don't want to touch pepper. here. Right there. And just cover this. Put it in the fridge for like 20 minutes. So I soak this one, the stick I'm using, inside the water for about 10 minutes before I start cutting the meat. So I'm taking it out inside the water. So I was doing something else. I said I will be 20 minutes. I will bring this one out, but I was busy, so it's like 35 minutes now. So just the same way. Do not let it too crowd. So I'll just if you can able to get yours very thin, it will be better. But however, you'll get the same taste too. Okay, I will just continue same thing till I hang everything. The smell is very good. It smells good. But if you want to marinate yours like overnight, it will be good, better. I do not really have a chance, or yeah. This is the last one. See what we got. Almost done. Do not want to trash these tiny ones. Just want them to hang somewhere. Okay. Done. The same ingredient we have before. Just So however it works for you, you can do it like that. So I'm just doing it this way because it worked for me. I'm not in haste. So I'll just continue the same process until yeah, this is, you're almost done doing this part, just to cover it up. So it's the last one. Okay. Okay, so yeah. Okay, I'll just put it in an oven because I'm doing it for oven. 10 minutes after, I'm just turning it around. So, okay. Wow. So you can see it's cooking very well. I just want to remove the water. I want to hold as many I can hold so the okay. So I'm brushing the oil in now, vegetable oil. You can use canola oil or call it vegetable oil. I think all of them are the same. This is halfway done. I just like it shiny. Again, this is optional too. So if you want to do it, that's fine. But if you don't like doing this one, it's a lot of stress. Just okay. Okay, done. I'll take it back to the oven. You can see they are getting ready bit by bit. So we still leave it a little bit. This is the second time I'm turning it. It's very important that turning, so it's all done properly. We are so ready. Look at it. So you see. Maybe I will just just do it with my hand. It's hot though. Okay. You can actually just eat it like this with the steak, but if you want to serve it different way, just the way I want to do mine, you can also do it that way too. Suya is ready. Wow, how is this suya, guys?
It's really nice and spicy.
Really?
It's delicious.
Okay.
And I love the spice.
That's good. Do you need help to remove this one for the steak?
No.
Okay, good job. Wow. Thank you, guys. This is so yummy. Wow. The spices really go well. All the seasoning go in well. Thank you for watching, guys. Please check out some of our old video. See you guys soon. Thank you. God bless.